Hey guys, I know it's been a bit, but I've got some awesome news. Oh, hey look, it's Sans. Except, you got a little something in your eye. Here, let me just get that out of your face, pal. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay, so if Deltarune is tomorrow, then I need to figure out a video before it comes out. But what should I even make?
You've got mail.
What the heck? What? I don't know what this means, but I'm gonna check my email. Crap. Let me get out all these tabs. I know what I'm gonna make. It's beautiful. Today, we're gonna make Spamton. And if you guys didn't know, I like Undertale and Deltarune. I mean, it's no surprise there. I have a couple accessories and stuff in my room, but I wanted to make something special for the fact that Deltarune's Chapter 3 and 4 come out tomorrow. And you know what? Why not make my favorite character Spamton? This was actually a 3D model that I made like a couple years ago that was really bad. I used like Art 3D or something. I don't have it anymore because I updated my Windows to the 11 rather than stay at 10. But yeah, Undertale and Deltarune is a really cool game made by Toby Fox, and I just adore the story and the characters and all the different routes that you can do in those games. And I'm really looking forward to chapters 3 and 4. So I decided, let's make Spamton. And you know what? You guys can actually get this 3D model in the description down below. I put it on Coles 3D for free for you guys to download and 3D print yourselves. So let's get started. After taking our Spamton and putting it into this little USB drive, we take it and put it into our 3D printers. Or, you know, you send the print to your printer. Either way, we send the print to our printer and then wait till the 3D print is done. After the 3D print is done, you can do the smoothing process if you want, but I personally was a little bit lazy and didn't want to. Plus, I was trying to get this video out. I'm literally making this the day before Deltarune comes out. Deltarune tomorrow! Anyways, so now we move on to painting. Now, Spamton is a pretty easy guy to paint. I mean, all you gotta do is his white skin, and the black of his hair, and his suit, and really, that's it, other than his glasses and his red rosy cheeks. So, because this isn't much of a long process, I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy this montage of me painting this guy. With the painting done, he is now finished. Alright, so that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and you guys can make your own little Spamton, which is really cool. Sadly, mine got lost, and I think he exploded. Rest in peace. But, anyways, you guys can now make your own little Spamtons if you want, and, oh boy, be ready for tomorrow, because tomorrow is... That's so cool. Wait, I think I hear something.